If you ever used Airbnb, you'll want to listen to this. The Palm Beach County Tax Collector's Office says it has not been getting tax revenue from several vacation rentals right here in our area. WPTV News Channel 5's Sabira Rayford explains today it's frustrating for business owners who are paying their taxes. Sabira?
Shannon, the co-owner of Grandview Gardens Bed and Breakfast, says over the last few years, the term B&B has taken on a whole new meaning. But he warns, if you are doing a vacation rental, it's not as easy as signing up online. Inside Grandview Gardens Bed and Breakfast, you'll find the owner making his guests feel right at home.
Lay out in the sun over here.
Rick Rose has owned this bed and breakfast for more than a decade, but he says the industry has changed.
Now most people think of bed and breakfast as Airbnbs.
That's because, like a bed and breakfast, an Airbnb rental can have a personal feel. But the Palm Beach County tax collector, Ann Gannon, says some hosts aren't following the proper channels.
Yeah, it's very serious for our county.
Gannon says people who list vacation rentals are responsible for paying a 7% sales tax to the county and a 6% bed tax. She says you shouldn't rely on Airbnb to do it for you, and they have a new system for hosts.
We're requiring them to register and pay the tax to us.
Rose also uses Airbnb and says he adds the bed tax into the cost of his rentals to make sure he can pay the county.
When you read the information from Airbnb, they say they're collecting your taxes, but they don't go the extra step to find out, oh, in Palm Beach County, there's a bed tax that has to be collected and paid, like many other counties.
The county says it simply wants to make sure all vacation rental hosts are paying the same taxes.
We don't collect the appropriate amount of taxes that we should in our county, and which should be spent in our county with the Tourist Development Council and any of the other entities that benefit from the collection.
Now, a spokesperson for Airbnb tells me that they ask guests and their hosts to comply with local laws and regulations, and they said that they are keeping an eye out on this situation. Reporting in West Palm Beach, Sabira Rayford, WPTV News Channel 5.